Our planet is a macrocosm of life, containing millions of ecosystems, all working symbiotically to create our beautiful world. So too is our body, a complex system of parts working together, striving against all odds for balance and optimal health. If we are to find ourselves out of balance, we seek the expertise of specialists who understand the complexities of that particular illness. And while treating the symptom can make us feel better, if the cause is left unaddressed, balance cannot be restored. This Western approach to medicine holds an important place in our modern society, but a society of specialists only produces professionals who understand more about less. Taking a holistic approach to anything means focusing on the whole system and the interdependence of all the parts involved. The same holds true for our mouth. Improper treatment of our teeth and gums can cause other problems in our overall health, and, in turn, problems elsewhere in our body can adversely affect our dental health. The tragic consequence of not acknowledging the connection between our teeth, dental treatments, and our overall health is that no attention is given to the real cause of many chronic health problems. That connection is real, and so are the consequences of using toxic dental procedures and materials. Cleaner teeth means longer life, a life that includes safe public water without hazardous fluoride waste, a mouth without metals to avoid the antenna effect inside our bodies, a mouth which is free from the toxicity of mercury amalgam fillings and toxic root canal procedures. By helping the world understand how dental care is related to our whole body's well-being, together we can realize the vision where everyone is united for individual and collective health awareness, where we can live a long, healthy life together.
Uncover the vital link between dental health and overall well-being with dental surgeon Dr. Lina Garcia's insightful books, starting with her updated second edition of Cleaner Mouth, Longer Life. Then, expand your understanding with her latest publication, Holistic Inquiry. These essential reads are available now in both Kindle and paperback formats.